Welcome back to the baking show.
Hello everyone, we're your hosts, Lauren.
I'm Michaela.
So you guys may have thought that this competition was a cakewalk.
Well, today it wasn't.
Definitely not. We need a 2-layer cake with a cool layer of curd.
Yep, and that's a special twist. Let's roll the clips.
My name's Danielle. I'm from a small town, Phillips, Wisconsin. Don't know if you ever heard of it, but I started baking fresh out the womb. I am all in for baking.
I'm Megan. I'm from Decatur, Wisconsin, and I've basically been baking my whole life.
Baking memory. So when I was about maybe 10, made this Boston cream pie for my family, and they just loved it. So
Baking. Sneak in that vanilla extract on the side.
oh my god!
Chocolate cake that I'm using coffee to enrich the flavor.
Baking a lemon cake, love lemon cake, with a lemon curd. Curd is the secret ingredient. And with a buttercream frosting. We're being honest here.
Hey, Danielle.
Michaela.
What you doing over here?
Right now we're just sifting the flour so it's nice and light, so I have a nice and light cake.
Love that technique.
Thanks. Yeah, I'm kind of making a mess right now, but hey, you win some, you lose some.
You measure out. I usually do 2 to 3 tablespoons of grounds per cup of coffee, and then you just let it steep for a couple minutes.
Oh my god.
Did you see that? That was a close call by Danny.
We need a medic?
Medic?
Oh my god. The medic's been called in. Danielle cut her hand.
Oh no.
Okay,
I think I'm gonna have to forfeit.
okay, let's think of what we can do.
What do we do?
You come so far, you can't just give up like that.
No, I think.
Do you need a, let's get a Band-Aid.
Lauren, I think I'm gonna have to forfeit.
No, you can't forfeit, sit down.
How do you think this is going to affect the championship?
I don't know. This is definitely gonna affect me. I think. And I don't think this is gonna end well. I don't think the Band-Aid's gonna help. Lauren, I can't go through with it. I don't know. I don't know.
Hey, let's see it. Do you think
I'm doing it!
there she goes.
We're back.
And I mean, look at Danny, she's still making the curd. It's just,
Yeah. You know what? Best of luck to Danny.
best of luck to Danny.
I
How
like
long do you
this.
plan to be baking your cakes?
Probably around 25 minutes. I'll probably check at like 20.
And what time?
325.
Okay, and you think that will be good?
Yeah, don't want to overbake it. It's too
Okay.
hot, it's gonna go rounded.
Okay, well keep baking.
Megan seems to be in the lead at this point.
I'm
Time-wise.
surprised.
Me
I
too,
mean,
me too. I thought it might be a quick battle, but you know what? It's kind of seeming like Megan's pretty calm and Danny's kind of stressed.
Nervous about my cakes. They were a little liquidy, so I really hope they firm up and come out okay. Danielle only had 1 set of measuring cups. I don't know who that she thinks she is, but she definitely isn't a chef. I don't know who doesn't bring salt to a baking championship.
I don't know, Danny's lemon cakes aren't even in yet.
Yeah, I mean, she's really just taking her time, and honestly, I think it might get her in the end.
Yeah, I'm a little worried.
I'm making a lemon curd.
These weren't done yet. I mean, it was 25 minutes. I think it's probably the oven. Usually they're done in 25 minutes. Really disappointed. Hopefully they speed up and get done soon before Danny's curd's ready.
So, how do you feel your cakes turned out?
I mean, I think they're okay. I'm a little disappointed that the center isn't the same color, but you know, frost's gonna cover it up, so.
Okay, great. Well, keep baking.
Megan, open the dungeon.
How's your curd coming along?
It's not. It's runny.
So here's a little bit of advice I can give you. So if your curd's not thickening up and you're kind of running out of time, just pipe around the edge of your cake and put the curd in the middle.
That's great advice. Thank you, chef.
Danielle, what happened?
Stuck. Had it.
I swear. We're all done.
Wow, we've had some great competition today.
Yeah.
2 great bakers.
Yeah.
So what do you think? Should we bring in Danny?
Yeah, I think we should. Let's bring her in.
All right, come on in, Danny.
Hey guys.
How are you?
I feel better.
How do you think
Forward.
today went?
I had a few troubles, but I think I did well.
Okay.
Good. All right, well,
Well,
let's see
I'm
what you
ready.
got.
Let's try it.
Let's see what you got.
I made a lemon cake with a lemon curd and a lemon buttercream frosting. I know you love that, Michaela, so.
Yeah, I do love. I do love
Okay.
lemon. All right, let's go in.
Okay. So I want to take a little bit
you
of
should
the
probably
curd.
get the whole thing.
Yeah,
Try to get the whole
for
thing.
sure.
Here we go.
Oh boy.
Interesting.
It's got a good lemon flavor. The cake is a little dry, could be a little bit more moist.
You know what I love though? I love how the texture of the buttercream. It's the perfect amount of sweetness. It's the perfect texture. You did great on the buttercream.
The buttercream is great. I'm a little worried about the curd in the middle. It's a little sour.
I wish you would have added just a little bit more salt, and I just wish the cake would have had maybe more of a vanilla flavor. But overall, very good.
Very good.
Very good. Thank you.
Thank you, Baker. So Megan's cake today, I mean, she didn't really have any hiccups. It seems like it all went well.
Looks great presentation wise. Let's see what she's got. Let's bring her in.
Yeah, come on in, Megan.
Yeah.
Hi, Megan. How are you doing today?
Hi, good. How are you guys?
You seem pretty
Good.
confident
I
walking
am.
in.
I'm very confident.
Do you feel
That's
good
great.
about it?
Yeah.
Good, okay. Let's
Well-
try it. What did you make for us today?
I made a chocolate cake infused with coffee and a chocolate buttercream frosting.
Great.
Interesting. Okay,
Good
I'm
coffee.
excited.
That's good. So overall, it looks really good. The buttercream is cracking a little bit on the top. I'm not 100% sure why that would be.
But the cake looks overall pretty moist, so I'm excited to dive in.
Yeah,
Let's just go ahead and do
it
it.
does look very moist, Meggers.
I do love that cake.
That is a very good cake.
What I love about it is that it's the perfect amount of moist. It's not too moist, but it's not dry either. It's great. And I love the contrast between the coffee, bold flavor of the chocolate, and the sweetness of the buttercream. I love that.
I just had one bite and I tasted nothing. I'm a little concerned.
Okay.
Overall, though, it is good, but there are some bites where I just had absolutely no flavor. And I don't know why.
Okay.
I love
I
the
taste
cake.
it now.
I love the cake, Megan.
Thank you.
Great job today.
So, Danielle's cake was good. I was a little worried about the curd. It did have a different type of taste. It wasn't really lemony enough.
But you know what I love is that she went above and beyond and did a curd.
She did.
Her creativity was out of this world. She really did her best, and I applaud her for that.
Yeah, this is gonna be hard, and it's the finale. But I mean, we have to be nitpicky. This is the final. They made it this far.
Now let's talk about Megan's cake.
Yeah.
I love the moistness of the cake.
Yeah.
I love the flavors.
was good.
They bonded well together. I love that about it. I think it would be paired well with a nice semi-sweet wine.
Yeah.
And I honestly think, I don't know,
was-
it's going to be really tough.
It's gonna be really tough. These kids. We become so close to them, and
Each decision makes it harder and harder, but we're down to the final 2. We have to make a decision.
it's a tough choice. But let's call them in.
Megan and Danielle, come on in.
Hey.
So it was a really tough choice. It came down to the wire and the details, really. I mean, it's the last leg of the competition, and we had to be nitpicky, which you guys understand.
We hate doing this. Every competition, it gets harder and harder, but
Yeah.
someone's got to win, and I think we've come to a conclusion.
Honestly, this was really tough for us, and frankly, we just weren't able to pick tonight. So
We need more judges.
we'll see you tomorrow night, bakers.
We'll see you tomorrow night!
I didn't do my confessional yet.
See, now the cake's at the
Confessional.
side, and I'm not really used to
Yeah.
that. I'm more of like the upright.
We had to make a curd, okay?
Ooh, I'm
Megan
excited.
didn't make a curd.
I really enjoyed the curd.
Curd.
You know, now that it's like cold, the frosting's a little hard, but that's probably just failure on the homeowners.
Inspiration.
So I kind of took that a little personally, but it is what it is.
Well,
So we'll just be like at our house and people will just start showing up. Okay.
Here she is. Ellen follows you. I don't follow her even. I don't follow her.
No way.
Guess who's back? Back again. Shady's back. Tell a friend. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? It's fun when thoughts are bingo. Cause pencil with a pencil of his knee. Cause we need a little controversy. Cause it feels so empty without me. I said this looks like a job for me. So everybody just follow me. Cause we need a little controversy. Rebellious and embarrassed. The parents still listen to Elvis. They don't feel like prison is helpless.
I couldn't decide on one, so I put it's Manny.
All this time she was standing there, she never took her eyes off me.
The votes are in.
This part has to be in the deal.
Everywhere.
Oh no!
The votes are in. And here they are. Unravel.
Danny baby.
That was Lauren's.
Manny.
What?
Jamie.
Manny.
One vote Danny, 0 votes Megan, 1 vote Manny.
Someone vote Manny.
Meggers.
1 vote Danny, 1 vote Megan.
What'd you say?
1 vote Manny.
Danielle.
2 votes Danielle, 1 vote Megan, 1 vote Manny.
1 vote.
Danielle.
Danielle won. I can't keep track of how many votes Danielle had.
Danny.
Danny has won. Danny, come on up. Come on up, Danny.
Go, Danny.
So as we all know, Danny has won. Congrats.
Left hand shit.
Congrats, Baker.
Megan, I just wanted to say you've done an outstanding job and I'm really proud of you.
Thank you, Chef.
What have you learned from this experience, Megan?
Danny, what will you do with the $10,000 you've won?
We're gonna buy a cell phone. Hey, thank you guys all for coming.
Thank you out to all the bakers.
Oh, it's been great.
It's been great.
Thank you, Chef.
That's all we got for you. Tune in next time.
Yes, Chef.
Tuesdays
Thank you,
at
Chef.
10 East Central.